Monday. Welcome, friends. This is Wendy Cannin of Cannin Plannin, and I'm excited to be hanging out with you today. I'm an executive brand director with Tula 12, and if you don't know what Tula 12 is, or this is your first time visiting us here at Cannin Plannin, let me give you a little 411. Tula 12 is a lifestyle organizer in which you are able to design and build a planner or a lifestyle organizer that fits your needs and is specific to the things that you need in order to make your life function and live its best life. So today I'm going to be sharing with you guys some setups that you can use with different inserts to make a home planner. Over in Cannin Plannin VI Planners, we've been talking about home command centers. We've done a little bit right here on this page. And for those of you that are joining us from different places, welcome. And I am so excited to be sharing with you. If you find the information that I share today valuable, make sure that you share it out. And if you're watching the replay, please let us know so that you can, so I can have a little chit chat with you. And thank you for joining me while I am doing my videos and hanging out with you. So for those of you that are new to Tula 12, I just want to show you really quickly a planner setup. So I'm going to go ahead and switch my camera over. We're going to talk about a planner stack, different sizes that you can use with your lifestyle organizer, and all the fun goodies. So I have a nice, fun little planner stack here with all kinds of different sizes and styles, and I want to walk through each of those with you briefly before I talk about a home planner. So the one that I have on top, this is a Trifolio and Go. It is in the raspberry color. The Trifolio and Go is just that. It's a 3-fold and it is our small size, which is 4x6, has 3 pockets and 2 bands. You can hold 3 to 4 inserts inside. The next one is our medium interchangeable. It is interchangeable because the front comes off and you can change it out to any back and front combination that you choose. I currently have mine on amethyst, and this is the kaleidoscope from the fall line. Inside, you're going to see a whole plethora of cut inserts because this is one we're going to be building in, but let me give you a brief rundown. There are 4 bands, 4 pockets, a pen loop, and you can fit 4 to 8 inserts inside the medium interchangeable. The next one is a Classic Pro. This is the extra large version. It also comes in medium. The extra large Classic Pro has 2 bands. It fits 4 inserts. It has 2 pockets, including the ones that have the credit card slits or business card slits in the front. And just to show you guys a quick brief overview of the combination of the two, this is the Classic Pro, this is the Classic. The Classic has a reinforced stitch spine. It does not make it any less sturdy. This one just holds more inserts, and so it has that ability to do so with the reinforced stitch spine. This is the extra large Classic in the Hostess exclusive for the fall, which is this black plaid. It's beautiful. It goes with all the things. The Classics have 6 pockets, front and back. It also has 4 bands that you can hold 4 to 8 inserts, and I clearly need to change out my calendar. All right, we are going to be playing in the medium interchangeable today. As you can see, I grabbed an entire range of inserts that you can use inside of a home planner. I'm going to focus on a few of my favorites, but give you a brief overview of some of the other ones that you can use. Okay? I want to start with the most basic one, the one that would make the most sense, which is the home planner. The home planner has a place for you to write your housing information, whether you're renting or owning, your homeowners, renters, insurance. It gives you a place to list your utilities, your home warranties, safety passwords, changing out your batteries and filters in your home. It gives you a list for home maintenance, emergency contacts, who to call in case of physician, pediatrician, hospital, etc. Vehicle information, where your insurance company is through, any information on who's holding the lease for your car. And then it gives you a place for vehicle maintenance, a place for your financial accounts, such as your bank, your financial advisor, your retirement accounts, and your life insurance information. And then important dates, which we're going to talk a little bit more about another insert that will work great with this. for perpetual information. But you can use this insert one of two ways. One, you can add it into your home planner and leave it accessible at all times. Or two, you can fill in the information such as your passwords and your security information, your life insurance policy, etc. And just keep the insert itself in a fire safe for you to be able to have in case of an emergency, death in the family, or anything like that, that will make it necessary for people to have access to all of your information regarding your accounts. Okay, so that's the home planner. The next one that I include in a family calendar, and you can use this in two different ways, is you can use an actual insert that has a full calendar. You can write down the family activities, or you can use a desk pad and create a home command center, which we've talked a lot about here in Cannin Plannin, and attach it to the wall so that your family has access to a full calendar at all times. We leave ours open on the counter so that our family can find what activities are happening for the week or for the month right there. This is the academic version, which means it starts in July and goes till June of 2022. All right, the next one, which is super helpful, is the perpetual information. This is the one that I shared a little bit earlier. That is the back page of the home planner. This is just a beefed up version of that. I personally would use this to keep track of important dates such as anniversaries, birthdays, anything that I needed to keep track of that happened on a yearly basis, such as home maintenance, etc. It is broken down into several different categories, including your car, your house, your health, animals, families and kids, personal life events, anniversaries, birthdays, bills, to-dos, etc. Again, we use this particular one just to fill in for birthdays, anniversaries, and important dates that happen every single year. And I fill it out once. It stays in the back of our home planner, and I can quickly and easily access the information whenever I need to without having to fill it out and transfer it to a new insert every month. So definitely a couple of different ways that you can use the perpetual information calendar. The other one that I find really helpful in a home planner is the passwords insert. This is our family's password insert. All of the passwords for all of the things, my son's Xbox, my husband's Xbox, my baby's Kindle, anything like that where we have passwords or password protected, they are listed in this password insert, and the whole family has access to it. So if they have to create a password for something, they can quickly and easily go back later and look it up so they know what the password was without having tried to remember it or storing it somewhere electronic in case something happens with the electronics. Okay. So these are the four major inserts that I would include inside of a home planner. The other ones that I'm going to show you are ones that you can change out or use to fit your needs. Okay. Like I said, the home planner is a fun one. You can use a large variety. So there's clean house. You can use this one in two different ways. Obviously, cleaning house. We use it with color coding, so it looks something like this. You can also use it for home improvement projects, okay? If you need to do specific projects in each one, or maybe you have your 6-month home maintenance coming up, you can quickly glance at this and see what needs to be done for home maintenance. A to-do list. To-do list is fun for you to be able to add there if there are projects that your family needs to complete or things that need to get done for the family. This is a good way for you to have it featured for your family. They can go in and fill in things that they may need to have done. Maybe you have kids that need to have cookies done for a specific party or event that's coming up. You can add that to your to-do list and the family will know what is happening. Meal and grocery. This one actually stays on a refrigerator, but you can use it in the home planner as well. The meal and grocery is designed for you to create your menu and your grocery shopping list all in one. Okay, so I like to not have to worry about the days of the week, and so I've actually filled them with washi tape. You can break them down so that they have one for each of the 3 meals, breakfast, lunch, and dinner, etc. So that's the meal and grocery. Spring cleaning or fall cleaning. This is a nice 30-day checklist for you to go through and check off all the different things that you can do with your home in getting it cleaned and prepared for either a new spring season or a new fall season when you have time to go through and check off all the things. It walks you through a 30-day challenge of cleaning and rearranging and and doing some things. It's called spring, but you can get it for fall too. And then the last one that I have, which I think is a great fit for this setup, is the project planner. Project planner you can use, and one of my customers mentioned this the other day, is you can use this setup to store your paint chip colors for each room. This is just a design we did in my middle son's bedroom. We actually painted this mural on the wall, but these are the colors that we used. You can write down what needs to be done, what materials at least you need, and the to-do list. So you can use this insert actually in multiple ways. I have a lot of customers that use it for craft projects or stamping, but the project planner is a fun way for you to be able to work on the projects in your home, or at least keep track of paint samples so that you know what goes with each one. All right, if you are new to Tool of 12 and you have never set up a planner before, I'm going to take a couple of these inserts and I'm going to show you how quick and easy it is to put together the actual organizer in itself. So if you turn to the stapled section of the insert, you can grab an elastic band and you slide it right over the top. It's quick and easy. You can see they lay it flat. This is a dream for left-handed people because there's nothing keeping their hand from moving from one side of the page to the other. They are easily changeable. So if the insert gets full or you decide that your lifestyle needs something different, you can take it out, recycle it, and you replace it with a new one. At the end of the year, when you've used your monthly planner, you don't need to get a brand new setup. You just get a brand new insert. Makes it really easy for you to be able to change and rearrange and move things as necessary. You can see that there's no clips and no spirals, just these elastic bands that make it possible for you to fill them in. And I did mention that it takes 4 to 8 inserts to fill up this bad boy. And you can see I have one string left with 2 inserts. Okay. The ongoing special with Tool of 12 is if you purchase 4 inserts, you get a set of jump bands for free. They come in 2 colors, either black or white, and the packages contain 4 bands. These bands are used to help you add more than what the allotted strings say. So this says I have 1 string left, but you can actually use 2 inserts on this 1 string. Let me show you how. You're going to turn to the stapled section of 2 different inserts. And with them together like this. You're going to slide the closed inserts around that 1 band. And now you can see that I have 5 inserts available inside of this setup. Now, some fun accessories that you can use for a home planner would be our cash and coupon pocket, which can hold your warranties and your paperwork for any of the things that you need to keep track of with your home. You can use that same thing for storing coupons or keeping track of receipts for particular things that you might be working on if you're working on a home project. You can also add a secretary style or a dash sleeve pocket. These will help you be able to put in a quick calendar like I showed you that I need to change out from my September one. So you can add a quick calendar like this in the front so you can just at a glance know what days of the week fall on which days. You can also add magnetic clips, which happen to be my very favorite accessory. If you want more information about magnetic clips, hop on over to Cannin Plannin. We talk about them all the time because they happen to be the most favorite accessory of most people in my group. Thank you guys for joining me on this journey of building a home planner. Again, if you're watching the replay, let me know. And if you found this information helpful and you want to share it with others, go ahead and click that share button and send it on out to your friends. Thank you for hanging out with me. There will be a link to my VIP group in the comments below, and I hope you guys have a fantastic day. Bye, friends.